Cost effectiveness of intensive versus standard blood pressure control. In the systolic blood pressure intervention trial, adults at high risk of cardiovascular disease who received intensive systolic blood pressure control had significantly lower rates of death and cardiovascular disease events than those who received a standard control. On the basis of this data, we wanted to determine the lifetime health benefits and healthcare costs associated with intensive control versus standard control. Here we have a video.
Many clinicians treat patients over 50 years old to maintain a systolic blood pressure of less than 100.
Applications in medicine. A study using microsimulation model to apply sprint treatment effects and healthcare costs from national source to hypothetical whole of sprint eligible adults. The models projected lifetime cost of treatment and monitoring in patients with hypertension, cardiovascular disease events, and subsequent treatment costs, treatment-related cases of serious adverse events and subsequent costs, a quality adjusted life years. For intensive control versus standard control systolic blood pressure. Here we have the video.
This is an important message to diabetics from the doctors of the International Council for Truth in Medicine. A breakthrough in diabetes has been achieved, and yet we have been threatened. We have received takedown orders. We are in danger of losing our medical licenses simply for exposing this information. If you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or
Pros and cons. First, pros. Intensive PP control has demonstrated the potential to decrease adverse cardiovascular events and prolong life in hypertensive patients at levels below common threshold used to define cost effectiveness. And cons, the intensive treatment strategy costs an additional, like 47 per quality just to like gel gained. Here we have the video.
So the NIH just recently published the SPRINT randomized control trial, which randomized about 9,000 patients to
And well, one of the true patients in the world hypertensive, and well, the figures 40% in the country according to the National Health Service, count about between 2011 and 2030, 9.3% of the segment between 18 and 59 years suffered from this disease. In 2012, there were 1,373 cases of hypertension per 100,000 inhabitants, according to MSP estimates. Here all the video.
On buses would save lives. In Health News Now, and a landmark study on blood pressure could change guidelines for all patients. As Erica Edwards reports on the findings, that's especially good news for adults over 50. When it comes to treating high blood pressure, heart doctors keep one question.
And finally, conclusion. Intensive systolic blood pressure control prevents cardiovascular disease events and prolong life and did so at levels below common. Willingness to pay threshold per QALY, regardless of whether benefits were reduced after 5 years of persistence for the patient remaining lifetime. Here the last video.
Clinical trials are very important in order to answer questions that have to